In the heart of a lush forest, a small bird diligently built a nest high up in the branches to shield her young from lurking dangers. After days of careful care, the eggs finally hatched, and the baby birds chirped their first sounds. Each day, the mother bird flew off in search of food, leaving her fragile chicks in the cozy nest. One morning, while the mother was away, a snake silently slithered up the tree and approached the nest. The baby birds chirped in fear, helpless against the predator. The snake quickly attacked, swallowing each chick one by one without mercy. By the time the mother bird returned, the nest was empty, leaving only a heart-wrenching void and an unbearable sorrow. In a clearing within the forest, a long snake slithered quietly, searching for prey. Nearby, a small hedgehog was peacefully nibbling on grass, completely unaware that it was about to become a target. With cold, calculating eyes, the snake moved slowly, but with deadly intent, setting its sights on the unsuspecting hedgehog. When the snake suddenly lunged forward, the hedgehog sensed the danger. It quickly raised its sharp spines, creating a formidable defense. The snake, driven by its predatory instincts, tried to coil tightly around the hedgehog, squeezing with increasing force. However, instead of subduing its prey as usual, the snake found itself pierced by the hedgehog's sharp quills, which dug deep into its body. Next comes the battle between honeybees and wasps, a confrontation not only of strength but also of strategy. While wasps rely on surprise attacks and superior power, honeybees use their numbers and teamwork to defend their colony. This clash is not just a struggle for survival, but also a testament to the remarkable balance of nature. Regardless of who emerges victorious, the battle between honeybees and wasps is always a spectacular scene, showcasing the harsh yet intelligent dynamics of the natural world.